Aloe vera, also known as Aloe barbadensis, is a versatile and highly beneficial plant. Here's why you should consider having it in your home. Uses and advantages. Aloe vera is excellent for skincare, offering soothing relief for burns and enhancing overall skin health. It is also beneficial for digestive health, helping to soothe the digestive tract. Additionally, aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant property, which can help reduce inflammation and combat free radicals in the body. Watering cycle. This plant requires minimal watering, making it easy to care for. Typically, you should water aloe vera every 3 weeks. In hotter climates, you may need to water it more frequently, but always ensure the soil is dry before the next watering. Season for growth. Aloe vera grows year-round in tropical and subtropical climates. This means you can enjoy its benefits no matter the season. Harvest. Once the plant is mature, you can harvest its leaves as needed. Simply cut off a leaf close to the base, and you'll have fresh aloe vera gel ready to use. Soil. Aloe vera thrives in well-drained, sandy soil. Prefers a slightly acidic to neutral pH, ensuring the best growth condition. Transform your home into a healing sanctuary with aloe vera, nature's gift for your skin, health, and peace of mind. Bring home aloe vera today and experience the multitude of benefits this remarkable plant has to offer. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.